Hi friends, today I will show you how to do this with the stamp tool in detail. So without further ado, let's get started. First, place or open your image in Photoshop. Make one copy of background for backup by pressing Ctrl+J. Now we need to separate the subject from the background. For this, go to Select, find the subject and click on this for selection. Also, you will find the Object Selection tool in Tools. There are 3 tools are assigned to the same shortcut key. To switch between them, press and hold Shift key and press shortcut key W. See, they are switching. This is applied with other tools as well, which tools have the same shortcut key. Now select Object Selection tool, or simply draw rectangle around subject to get selection. Selection is not proper, we need to refine the selection, need to add or subtract some parts from this. Just select the lasso tool. The shortcut key is L. In option bar, make sure the second add option is selected. To subtract extra parts from the selection, press and hold the Alt key. You will see the plus icon change to minus. Also, you can see in the option bar this is shifted to the subtract. This means you can subtract parts from selection if you press and hold the Alt key. Hold the Alt key and start subtracting selection which area you want to remove. I will fast forward this. Our selection is completed. Before creating a copy of the subject, give feather, go to Select, find Modify and click on the feather. Keep feather radius between 0.5 to 1 pixel. Giving feather for edge smoothness. To create copy of selection, go to Layer, find New and click on Layer via Copy. Or press Ctrl+J. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials like this. Now select Stamp tool, the shortcut key is S. In the option bar, make sure the mode is normal, opacity 100%, flow 100%, rotation is 0. Uncheck this Align checkbox. And last thing, sample set to current layer only. This is because we want reference from specific layer only. Make new layer on top, press Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Then click on this stamp tool setting icon to open stamp tool setting. And set this width and height value between 50 to 60%. Now select our subject layer to get sample for cloning. Then select our top layer, and just start painting on area where you want to make clone. With this technique you can make more creative things. Friends, if you like this tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more tutorial. Please let me know in the comment about this tutorial and also comment about what type of tutorial you want. And if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask. Here is our final result. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.